I picked this up from eBay. Now the shipping was $9.99 for this. But if you look at the receipt on the top, you can see that it says $24.75. Now if he paid $24.75 to ship this, he lost a lot of money on this item. So I'll show you what we got. I put a bid on this. I bid it on here. This was the 2023 Hess truck that was for sale. They are sold out. Hess was selling these for $42.99. Limit 12. So a lot of people bought their 12 and now they're selling them on eBay for $60, $75, $18 shipping. Well, this here I got for $33 and $9.99 shipping. So it was $42.99 I paid for this. Same as on Hess. This is brand new in the box. This is a very nice truck. I did buy two of them when they first came out. When they first put them on sale 8 a.m. in the morning. I gave one for a gift and I kept one for my collection. But it was such a nice truck, I figured I'd pick this up for the same price that Hess was selling it for. So I got these for $42.99 shipped. The police truck cruiser. So check out eBay. Sometimes you can find a deal. Here I got the same price that Hess was selling it for. $33 and $9.99 shipping. $42.99.